Hi, my name is Rudy Miles, Beauty by Rudy. I'm a makeup artist who has built much of my career doing bridal work and building a profitable, successful bridal business. And I want to talk to you about how you can work with your name to do the same. So when I think of bridal as a business, I think of first of all the consultation. How do you know what the bride needs, what kind of wedding she wants, what kind of artist are you that you fit her sensibility? So as makeup artists, we have to think of not just the artistic side of how we perform, but also the business of being a makeup artist. When you have bridal as a business, it includes everything from the services you currently offer, how you can incorporate those into the needs of the bride, like facials, waxing, brows and lashes, as well as, let's not leave out the groom. What's great is the Bridal Starter Kit from your name. The Bridal Starter Kit is great because it has what you need to really do a complete face for each category. So it has primers, eyeshadow, complexion, mascara, brows, lip color, highlighters, invisible blotting powder, and disposable tools to help you really get started. So we all know the importance of a really good primer, especially for long-lasting makeup. I love the Pore Perfecting Primer because it helps to mattify the skin, takes away any oil and shine, and will ensure that your makeup lasts all day. Another must-have favorite is Lip Toxil X3. When you think about preparing a face for makeup, don't forget the lips are skin, so when you moisturize the face, we should definitely hydrate the lips. When you think about bridal work, the one must-have is immaculate complexion. And the foundation sticks are perfect for that because you can use them for highlighting and contouring. You can use them just for the complexion as skin, and you can use them as concealer. So powder illuminator is so important because though you don't want the skin excessively shiny for bridal work, you do want dimension. And so what a great way to add highlight without adding texture. Invisible blotting powder is another must-have for bridal work. You're able to do touch-ups without adding weight and texture to the skin, and it's something that the bride can easily apply to herself if you're not at the wedding. So on my bride, I decided to do a matte eye, kind of smoky, using the matte shadows. So here I'm taking dark brown and just really concentrating the color on the lid. It's really nice to do this because if you have skin that has some sheen or an element of glow, a texture that's opposite it gives you a little more dimension and interesting application. I also really enjoy using the long-lasting gel eyeliners as well. This is Sienna, and it's important because you're able to really get a nice defined eye, but the liner blends beautifully, so you can get dimension just by smudging it. Brow ink is amazing because it holds the brows in place and also adds color. This one's amazing, it's invisible, so it's good for every brow color. Now we have Mineral Matte Blush in Rosebud, which is the perfect color for brides, a #1 seller as well, so you must have it for your bridal business. I like to place it on the apples of the cheek to get that really natural flush, and then right into the contour to define and shape the face. Another must-have for longevity is the Invisible Lip Liner because it's waterproof. If you're redrawing the lip, you get to recreate the shape without a visible line, but also it keeps lipstick in place. Next, I'll be using Luxury Gloss in Newberry. Perfect color for brides. It's great because it has the texture of lip gloss with the coverage of a lipstick. If you are serious as a makeup artist or as a salon business owner about growing your brand, your name is the place to go. We have everything you need to grow beyond where you are, and we grow with you because we understand your business.